In this video we will create this geometric decorative container in Fusion using a very simple and beginner-friendly method. This model might look complex, but it's actually very simple to create it, and it is designed specifically for clean 3D printing without support. So let's start. First we will create sketch in this horizontal plane. We go to create and we will use this polygon inscribed into circle. So we select inscribed polygon, click on this center point. We will have 8 sides of polygon. Radius will be 30 millimeters. I will now use this horizontal constraint and click on this side so it is positioned like this, and we will finish sketch. Now we will create offset plane. We go here and we will select this plane and offset 13 millimeters and press OK. Now in this new offset plane we will create new sketch, and again we go to polygon, inscribe polygon. We will again click on this center point, and we will also have 8 sides, the same radius 30 millimeters, and we will create it as this. And now we will use this constraint again, but instead of this side we will use it on this point and this point, and we now have this second sketch fully constrained. We will finish sketch and we go to surface now. We will create loft. So we will first select this edge and this point, and we will have loft like this, and we will press OK. Now we will unhide these 2 sketches and create one more loft. Again, create loft. Now we will have this point and this side, and we will create this second loft. Now we don't need these 2 sketches anymore, so we will hide them. And we will go to solid and create new sketch, but now in this plane. So we choose this plane that looks at these 2 objects that we just created. So it's this plane, and we will project geometry. We can go here and project, include, and select project, and we will just click on this triangle, and we already have this sketch projected to our plane, and we press OK now and finish sketch. And now we will create a loft between this profile and this profile, and we have this loft created like this, and press OK. Now we will create one more sketch again in the same plane, and we will project now this object to that plane. So go to create, project, and just press on this surface, and we have this object projected, and press OK. We will now finish sketch. Again we go to create, or we just use loft here, select this profile and this profile, and we have it lofted. So now we have this object. Next we will create circular pattern, and here object type, we will, instead of bodies, we will select features, and in timeline we will select these 2 lofts. For axis we will select this vertical axis, and for quantity we will select 8. As you remember, we created at start 8 sides polygon, So for quantity we will type 8 here, and we got something like this. Now we will create mirror. For object type we will select features and select these features in timeline. So circular pattern and these two lofts. For mirror plane we will select this plane and press OK. Now we have this. Next we will use rectangular pattern. Instead of bodies we will select features. From timeline we will select these features, so mirror, circular pattern and these two lofts. For axis we will try to select this vertical axis. Instead of extent in distribution we will select spacing. For quantity we will select 4, and distance, as you remember, we created offset plane on 13 millimeters from this base plane. So 13 millimeters is here, and here it will be 26 millimeters. So here we will type 26. And now we have this pattern created. What we can do at this point, I will do something like this. In this plane, so in this plane, horizontal plane, so this plane, so you can see, I will create circle that goes to here. So it's tangent on the one of these sides, one of these edges. And finish sketch. Now I will extrude this circle, this profile, to here. But instead of cut, I will select join here. And let's see what we will get. We will get this clean surface here. So now we have this object. We can now do something like this. We can select this command shell, click this surface and say maybe 5 millimeters. So we have this object created like this. So with this inside structure, we can leave it as this, or I will go to second option, delete. I will delete this shell and create another plane and another sketch. Now in this plane, create circle here, and as we know, we had 60 millimeters diameter here, so I will create this circle maybe 50 millimeters diameter, and now I will extrude, finish sketch and extrude this profile down to maybe to here and press OK. What we have now, object like this created. So this wall thickness here is good for 3D printing. It's not too thin. Just I will fillet this edge with 5 millimeter fillet and this edge with maybe 2 millimeters. Yes, 2 millimeters is okay, and press OK. And we have our object created. If this video was interesting to you and if it was useful, you can like it, share it, and you can subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching.